Hey everyone, Charles here with Rocky Mountain, and today I'm going to be showing you how to change out the engine oil on your 2024 and newer Polaris RZR XP 1000. Now this procedure is going to work for the 2 and the 4-seaters. It's something that's simple to do and going to help your machine last longer. Now, if your machine is brand new, you want to get this done at 500 miles, and then you're going to get this done every 1,000 miles thereafter. Now, if you're driving the machine really hard and you're in severe conditions, you can cut those service intervals in half. But with that being said, again, really simple to do. Let's get started. To get this done, we have our Tusk 4-stroke oil change kit. This comes with your choice of oil. We went with the Polaris stuff. It's $5.50. Comes with an oil filter, the crush washer, and a funnel. Now for tools, you need a 2.5-inch oil filter wrench. This one's from K&L, it's adjustable. It's gonna work great. We also are using a T40 Torx bit, 6mm Allen, a torque wrench, safety glasses, rubber gloves, rags, contact cleaner, and a drain pan. Now, if you need anything for your machine, whether it's parts or this oil change kit, you can find that stuff on our website by clicking the link in the description below. To start out, we've got our machine on a level surface. You want to run the engine for 2 to 3 minutes and let that oil warm up. Once you turn the key off, you want to place a drain pan underneath the drain plug. And that's going to be the second hole up from the back of the skid plate. Then we can use our 6mm Allen to remove that drain plug. Now moving on to the oil filter, you can reach this from the passenger side rear wheel well, but we're going to show you how the manual wants you to do this. So we're going to remove our seats. Then we have an access panel with 4 quarter-turn clips. We'll loosen those up and remove it. So that'll give you access to the oil filter. Now I've gone ahead and removed a heat shield just to better show the process, but this is not a necessary step. From here, we just need to place a rag underneath that oil filter. Then we'll use our oil filter wrench to loosen the filter and remove it. After that, we can clean the sealing surface, apply some fresh oil to the O-ring of the new filter. We're going to thread that on until the gasket lightly seats. Then we'll go an additional 3/4 of a turn. Now one last note with the oil filter, if it doesn't feel like it's on there snug with 3/4 of a turn, you can go up to 1 full turn if you need to. And then you can wipe off any residual oil with a rag. Now we can reinstall the access panel and our seats. Now back under the machine, our crush washer got stuck to the oil pan. You want to make sure you locate this and get it removed. Next, I'll wipe off the sealing surface. We'll also wipe off the drain bolt, install the new crush washer, then we can install the bolt. And we're going to torque that to 12 foot-pounds. Now we can move to the back of the machine. We're using our T40 Torx bit. And we'll remove 2 screws out of the cargo bed at the back. Then we have 2 in the front. And we'll remove the cargo bed. Next, I'm going to clean the oil cap off, remove it. We'll take the supplied funnel and we're going to add 2.5 quarts of oil. After that, reinstall the cap. You want to start the machine up. Let it run for 2 to 3 minutes. Once you shut it off, let it sit for another minute or 2, and then you can check the oil level on your dipstick. That's going to be near the right side or passenger side rear wheel well. And you want that oil level to be in between the 2 fill dots, preferably at least halfway up. And if it's not in that range, you want to add or drain oil until it is. With the oil level set, we can reinstall the cargo bed and the 4 bolts. And that's all it takes to change out the engine oil on your 2024 and newer Polaris RZR XP 1000. If you have any questions, leave those down in the comments. And if you need that oil change kit or anything else for your machine, you can pick those parts up on our website. Just click the link in the description below. We offer free shipping on orders over $75, so take advantage of that and subscribe to our channel for more helpful content. I'm Charles with Rocky Mountain ATV MC. Thanks for watching.